Welcome to ClassRewards. This tutorial will review how to set up your new school account. If you haven't yet created your school account, click Start your 30-day free trial by clicking the button. If you already have an account, click Sign in instead. Review the information to proceed to create your new school account and start your 30-day free trial. Enter your school email address that you will use for this account, your school name, and your display name in the ClassRewards. Then click Next, Review Details to move forward. Review your details to confirm accuracy and hit Send Magic Link to receive your email access link. The link will expire in 15 minutes, so be sure to check your email within a few minutes to activate your account. The email should arrive within a couple of minutes, and check your spam folder if it doesn't appear in your inbox. Once you click on the link in your email, you'll be sent to this page to set your password. Enter your password and click on Set Password to create your account password. Next, click on Settings to adjust your preferences and to set up the classes for your school. Then, click on Create Class to start a new class setup. Enter the class name and optional description, and then click on Create Class to confirm your class creation. Next up, click on Create Class to proceed again. Follow these same steps to create all of the classes at your school. Click on Dashboard to return to your main interface to add students to each class. Click the drop-down element to select and view the classes. Select a class to start adding students to that class. If you would like to add a student individually, click on Add Student to include new students in this class. This is an option to add students one at a time, although adding students in bulk is recommended for initial setup. To add an individual student, enter their name or nickname. The name is the only required field. Optionally, you can enter a student ID and grade level. To bulk import students by class, click on the Import button. Copy your student classroom data for this class and paste it here. It can be just a list of names, or if you want to include student ID and grade level, those values should be separated by a comma, tab, or semicolon. In this example, I pasted student names and grade level for this class and left out student ID. Now, click on Parse Data to analyze and import the pasted student data into this classroom. Now you will map the data to ensure students are added correctly. Under Student Name, select the data that shows a student name. If you included grade level data, under Grade, select the data that is a grade level. After that, click on Preview Import to check your data. If the data looks good and is mapped correctly, proceed and click on Import Students to complete the process. Now, to add students for another class at your school, select a different teacher from the drop-down. Follow the same steps to import students for this class, and continue to do so for all your classes to complete the class and student setup. Once you have added the students in all of your classes, you can move on to the next part of the initial school setup. Click on Settings for configuration options for your school. Customize the point categories for your school. These are the options that will appear when a point is added for a student. We recommend having between 3 to 5 point categories. You can add new categories by clicking on the Add Point category. Or click Edit to change one of the existing categories. You can change the name and details of any of the point categories. After the point categories are customized for your school, you are now ready to add additional users. Click on Users to add additional admin, teachers, and staff. Click on Add User to create a new user. Enter the user's email, name, and display name. Then select their role. Click on Create User to finalize user creation. Let the users know an email is coming. If it doesn't show up within minutes, they may want to check their spam folder. The email with their setup link is good for 24 hours. If they don't set it up within that time frame, they can click on Sign In on the home menu and click on Magic Link, and they will be sent an email to log into their account. Once more, click on Add User if needed. Continue adding teacher and staff users. You can also add additional admin users with full school management access. Once you've added all of your staff that will be using ClassRewards, you have completed the initial setup. Click on Dashboard. Congratulations on completing this ClassRewards tutorial. We've covered the essentials to get you started. Remember, a more engaged and positive classroom is just a few clicks away. For more tips, resources, or support, visit our Help Center or connect with our community.